Hello students, today we are going to discuss about formatted output. Lecture level learning outcome. After completion of this topic, you will be able to understand the various specific formats for the output data. So these are the different IO operations or IO functions. All the input output functions are categorized into two types, that is formatted input output and unformatted input output. In formatted input output, we use the statements scanf and printf. In unformatted, we use four functions: getChar and getS. So getChar will take only one character from the keyboard and getS will take multiple characters from the keyboard. Similarly, for displaying the input string, we use putChar and putS. putS will take only single character to display on the screen, and putS takes a group of characters to display on the screen. And these are the different format specifiers we can use in the printf and scanf statements. So these are the different format specifiers we can use whenever we are using printf and scanf statements, and we can also use the format specifiers related to character. So we have when we are using the unformatted IO, we can use this character strings, that is printing a characters. Okay, so this is for string, this is for character. The formatted output function. So printf is a formatted output function. So it displays the input, whatever input is given to the program, it displays that to the standard output device, that is std out, which is our monitor. And the basic syntax is, here we write the format specifiers in the printf statement along with the number of variables. And you can see these are the different format specifiers we can use. This is for decimal number, percentile U for unsigned number, percentile S for the string, F for float number, percentile small x or capital X is for hexadecimal number, C for single character, and P for pointer argument. And these are the different of arguments which we can use in the printf statements. So here percentile D is what we are displaying an integer. That means whatever number is there, this will be displayed as it is. Percentile 8D, it indicates to display this number, 8 spaces will be allocated on the screen. So it is 8D, so it will be allocated. So it is without any symbol before 8. It is simply percentile 8D. It means it is positive percentile 8D. Okay. So that means now this will be right justified. So it will occupy the numbers from the last. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8. It will occupy the last 4 spaces. So this is right justification. Last cursor, last cells will be filled, and the previous cells will be left empty. If you write minus SD, so it will become left justified. Then the output will be starting from this side. 8 spaces will be allocated. So this is the meaning of minus 80. Left places will be left. And when we give 10.2, here 10 includes the total number of spaces. So for the A double, so actually there are total 4 digits are there in this decimal number. So 10 spaces will be allocated. This is 10. So 0.2 is there. So 0.2 indicates that only after decimal only first 2 numbers will be displayed. So from left to justification, here it will be 1, 2 followed by point, and here we get 4.2. So it is a left justified. So in this way we will use, and percentile S, it simply displays the name. So this is another example with the same reference. 20 blanks will be allocated with the number of digits after decimal 15. Here 10 spaces will be allocated with the number of digits on the after decimal as 6. This is simply you are displaying the element with only 2 spaces. Within the 2 spaces only the number should be filled. So which is true among all these things, students? So percentile F for float constants, LF for double, and capital LF for double. So which among this is true? Take a few seconds and try to answer this. So answer is all the above. If your answer is correct, go to the next slide. Otherwise, go through the video once again. So which statement is correct? Now, what does W indicates? What is T? Now, this is just now we have seen percentile 10.2. We have seen this example, right? So analyze which answer is correct here. Take a few seconds, students. Yeah, if your answer is correct, that is D. Go to the next slide. Otherwise, go through the video once again. So students, try to find out what is output for this. So answer is 6. Answer is C. So this is like percentile WD. That means what? Here you are specifying 6 indicates 6 spaces will be allocated to display the value of A, and no minus symbol is there before this 06. That means it is plus. Plus means it is right justified. So from right side, it will be start filling up this number 1, 2, 3. Remaining things will be 0. This is the answer, students. Since star is given, star will be displayed. There is no relation between star and this format specifier. It is given simply in the question. Okay. So this is the answer. If your answer is correct, go to the next slide. Otherwise, go to the video once again, students. So summary, we have seen the different format specifiers. We have seen the table also for each and every type of data type, how to use a printf statement. Lecture outcome. After completion of this lecture, you will be able to write programs using various specific formats for the output data. And these are the lecture level questions, students. List various format specifiers for formatted output function in C. Thank you.